Hi, I'm James, and I'm becoming handy because today we're gonna fix my car from making this sound. So I've been having issues with my car because every time I put on the air conditioner, this fan right here, whenever I turn the air conditioner on, this fan turns on, or the heater, and the little plastic piece of this is hitting this, and it just makes this terrible sound, and you can hear me coming from like a block away. So the whole goal is to totally replace this with that. The first step is to disconnect this, and then this little hose, and then it looks like there's a screw right here, and then a screw right here, and then I think the whole thing just comes out. So let's try it. 10 millimeters. There's the first bolt, not in focus.
Seriously, this is getting crazy. It's more crazier than anything.
Again, if you see a lady that you don't know, like in our backyard or whatever,
Scream
and run away.
I don't want to.
Second bolt, the little cord, electrical cord, there's little things that are stuck on it. Oh, I remember, I have a tool. So I bought this little tool. It's a panel remover tool. You can use just a screwdriver, but this, it just seems a little bit better. We got two. Hey, it popped out. You can kind of see it's kind of loose. I'm sure if I really thought this through, I could have just tightened this screw and it would have fixed the wobbly fan, but I bought the thing already. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace it. It just can't be this easy. What are you doing?
What?
So in sliding this in, there's the two bolts that attach it. And these hoses are really long, and I think I just have to cut them shorter. There's two little tabs that I think this just slides on. So you just slide it in, bolt it back, connect the tubes, and done. And then, it looks like a T. It just slides on there and then bolts in. I probably should buy new bolts, and maybe I'll do that later. Let's slide it in. That's what she said. I think it's in there. Putting the bolts back in. The bolts aren't going back in. I don't know how tight, just feels. Problem. There are two hoses, and I don't remember which one hooked up to the radiator. There's one at the top, and there's a hose that is connected to the bottom. I think it's the bottom one. So that's the one I'm gonna do. Hopefully my car doesn't explode. This just fell off. Really long, I'm gonna cut it. Since it fell off, I'm gonna use a little zip tie. The hose is too long. Never heard that. Potential problem. On this one, there's this little clip here that's not on mine. And now that I'm holding it, there's liquid in here that I need to put in the new one. I need to take it out.
What?
Starting over. Great. It broke. I got this part from Parts Geek. Pontiac.com, and it's made in China. Plug this back in. It's installed. Now I just need to fill this up with engine coolant. To get this into here, I'm just using the bottom tube.
Actually, that's a good idea.
I don't know. It worked.
Still stuff that
And it's above the line that says low. Let's grab some paper towels.
What is that stuff though?
I think it's engine coolant.
Which is?
It's a liquid that keeps the engine cool.
Makes sense.
Doesn't it? All we have to do now is just to test, see if it works. And then turn on the fan. It's spinning! And it's not hitting anything! And that stuff is fine! I did it! Hope you learned something. I feel a little more confident. And catch you next time.